Mohan, Vanakkam, and Namaste. A good day to everyone. I'm Vimuri. I'm from Kandy in the central province of Sri Lanka. Today I'll be your host for National Association of Quality
He's a handsome boy. Let him be there. Okay, for the time being.
It's a non-profit international organization working with educators across the global society to enhance the quality of education and contribute to achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. The International Project for Capacity Development in Education has been implemented alongside the International Conference Series on Quality Education. The international project serves as a platform for educational professionals to share best practices, research findings, and competencies with all stakeholders in the field of education. Additionally, the platform acts as a virtual learning space for young educators to gain new knowledge and grow as professionals in the education sector. Today, we are honored to have a very special speaker with us, Ms. Archana Sachin Patel. She has an experience of over 19 years in the teaching profession, qualified with a BSc and B.Ed, specializing in science. She was the ex-principal of Asheville World School, and she is currently focusing on midbrain activation, photographic memory, and content speed learning. I believe this is going to be a very engaging and relevant topic for all of us. First of all, I would like to thank Rashmi Tyagi ma'am as our ambassador of education, and then I would call upon Ms. Archana Patel to start today's program. Thank you.
You are so sweet. You talk so sweetly. Oh, I want to give you this.
Seriously, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Seriously.
Ma'am, Rashmi Tyagi ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
ma'am, you speak few words firstly. Rashmi Tyagi
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Vimuri, you
Yeah,
invited
yeah,
Rashmi
yeah.
Tyagi ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, yes.
Rashmi Tyagi ma'am, you could
Yes,
speak a
yes.
few words, please.
Why not? I speak so much, that people say that don't talk. Okay, so we are teachers, we have to speak. And
Yeah.
it's a great pleasure for me to just, talk to you people regarding that confluence which we are going to have in Mumbai. So it is going to be, an international event of great value. And the people from Mumbai, around Mumbai or from Delhi, they are also coming to join it. We are going to have a gala program of education. See,
Right.
the educational fraternity, it is among the frontline warriors. And when we have such summits, it really adds to the knowledge exchange for the societies, for the world, and for the people. So, Mr. Kamal Goda is really doing a great job by just, having this kind of sharing of knowledge, exchange of knowledge, and the Indians and the Nepalis and other Southeast Asian country people are visiting Sri Lanka and vice versa. So in this great city, as Archana Patil knows about it, all the Mumbaikars, we know
Yes.
it's a great city,
Yes.
and lots of friendship is there, and lots of good places are there, lots of universities, the schools, and other research educational institutes are there. So it will be
Yeah.
my great happiness if the teachers from Sri Lanka will be coming to Mumbai, and then we can interact with each other to add to the exchange of knowledge between different countries. So thank you very much. All of you are invited. With the folded hands, I'm inviting you. Vadakkam, namaskar. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You start now.
Shall I?
Yes,
Or
please.
anyone? Yeah. First of all, ma'am, thank you, Rashmi ma'am, for giving me this platform where I'm showing my talent, which is midbrain activation. Where it's my pleasure, first of all, that you gave me a platform this time. And today I'm here with my team member, So from my team member, you must be saying that one of the student is there. Her name is Mahira. Mahira, say hi to everyone. Just wave your hand. Okay. Another
Good evening. Good
on
evening.
your camera, students. Students, camera on. Shreyas. Shreyas. Yeah. Shreyas and Shawnee. I have invited 3 of my students for this. Okay. So Shreyas, just wave your hand and show everyone your hand. Yeah, Shreyas. Shawnee, her sister down. Okay. And one of my team member, Jebel Institute, it is written. He's my senior sir, Jaswant sir. So he will be doing a PPT presentation for today. Shall we start with the PPT presentation then? Okay. Sir, let us start.
Of course, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. So what we are going to see today, we are going to see that my academy name is Brahmanda Nayak Gurukul. So I have started this Brahmanda Nayak Gurukul in 8th August 2006. So this is what a platform where I deal with brain development program for kids. So you must be seeing that it is a strength for the where the brain gets a strength. Okay. So here I'm going to activate the student brain of left and right. Next PPT, sir. Next slide. So my name is Archana Sachin Patil. So I have my qualification is BSc B.Ed. I was the ex-principal of Ashwale World School from 19 years. Since from 19 years, I'm in teaching field. Currently also, I'm teaching science. Along with this, I got a good time. So I thought that let me enhance my skill. And while enhancing, I got this midbrain activation. And like it was working very nicely. The results were 100%. And then I started with this. So I have developed many of the students, this development of brain I have done. In the schools also have met many principals, I have cracked the schools. Okay. And now due to Rashmi ma'am, I have got this international platform where I can speak with you. I can tell about the midbrain activation. Next slide, sir. So what is midbrain activation? So you all must be knowing that we have two brains. So we consider as left and right. So left brain, where we are using 10% of power. And if you see the right brain, there is 90% of power. So the things are been written. If you are using the 10% of power, where you're using that, it's logic, reading, speech, writing, thinking, analyzing, decision, science and maths. And actually, if you see that last one is what? Short-term memory. We cannot wherever if you're going for the examination, we learn. But it is not fixed in our mind. It is not for a long term. That much we are using left brain. That is known as conscious mind. You must be heard about the right brain, that is subconscious mind, where actually we can use our subconscious mind 90%. Actually, it has a 90% power, but we are not using that. So what we can do by using that 90% power? So we can use the creativity, imagination, quotient, dance, music, games, drawing. Even we have the feelings and emotion, that is crying and laughing. And you must be saying the last line I have written, that is long-term memory. So do we use this? No, actually we are not using. So our program is basically on working on that only. Next slide. So if you say that about midbrain activation. So here I'm showing the neurons. We have the billions of neurons in our brain, which are not activated. But for by doing the midbrain activation workshop, I can make the child neurons get activated. It's not only about 1 and 2. It's not only about the brain. There are the neurons where we are activating all the neurons. So see the pictures in the brain. So after getting activated, the students can do multiple things which you cannot imagine right now, which I'm going to show you the demo in further. Next. So what we are going to do here? So in our brain, how we are going to activate the neurons? How you will do? I'm not going to go inside the brain. But what will be the therapy? There is a big therapy. There will be a workshop. So I conduct the workshop on Saturday and Sunday. So two days workshop. So one day, Saturday, I take 4 to 5 hours. And then Sunday, again the same thing. I repeat. So like 4 hours workshop is there daily. Total 8-hour workshop. Along with the practice, 1 hour we can increase. So 9 hours workshop we take on Saturday and Sunday. Afterwards, in that Saturday and Sunday, we give the therapy for the student. There are the many exercises like brain gym we do. There are the many right and left hand exercises we do where the neurons start getting activated. We have the brain eyeball exercises and many more. Along with that, we take the meditation. So you must be seeing that in the slide, I have given that brain waves. So in that, gamma rays, beta rays, alpha rays, theta rays, and delta rays, which while doing the meditation, the music is on. Okay. And that music goes into your brain and then the neurons start getting activated. That helps, this meditation helps your neurons to get activated. So who are they? Gamma, beta, alpha, theta, and delta. Next slide. So what is going to happen after the workshop? Surprise. Thing is what? My children, which I got, they were the normal kids. But after 2 days, you will get a gift from my side. That is what I'm going to unlock their right and left brain. So neurons are being activated. So if I say the children, if I give the kids anything, any color in their hand, okay, when the eyes are open, so they will recognize, no issues. But if I say them, close your eyes and identify the color, what I had given in your hand, will they able to do? Of course not. Of course not. But it is possible after attending the workshop of midbrain activation of 8 hours. So the next day itself, I'm going to show you the result, how the brain is being unlocked. So this, we conduct the midbrain activation of workshop from the age of 5 years. Actually, pre-primary students also can do, which are under the 5 to 15 years, and we consider adult as 15 years. So even we can do for the children, even for the adults. Even I have done it. That is called as what? Third eye activation. Next slide. Yeah. So we all the teacher actually are facing a big problem in education system. So students are not listening us, right? And then like we face a lot of problem when the students are not getting marks. They are not concentration power is very less. And then what happened? We only get frustrated. So what we have to do? We have to solve this problem because kids will do n number of things. Of course, they will shout in the class. They will do mischievous in the class. They are the kids. But thing is what? When we are handling the kids, even we get frustrated. But after doing this midbrain activation, many problems will get solved. As the students will improve their intuition power, they will start self-learning, will start self-awareness will start, and they will start doing the practical thinking, and they will get matured. So they will understand what is right and what is wrong. A mature behavior will inculcate in them. Next slide, sir. Yeah. It is not like we have started now. You must have heard in the back era that God and Goddess, even Swami Vivekananda, sir, he was flipping the book and he was memorizing each and every word in his mind. How was it possible? It was just possible because of the photographic memory, midbrain activation, and quantum speed. So you're not supposed to worry what my children are going to do after the blindfold. Of course, after doing the blindfold, give the any color in their hand. Of course, they will say the color name. That is the first step. Second step, they will identify the cards. If you do any of the card, design card or anything, they will recognize the card design too. This is the second level. In third level, what will happen? They will start reading the book by blindfold. Isn't it surprising? A unique thing. Yes, of course it is. Then in fourth level, we do a long distance covering. So for example, if as I'm taking the online classes, so from here, and my students are sitting abroad or any other country, no issues anywhere. If I show anything from my side, that child will recognize. So what is happening? Long distance recognition is also covering in this midbrain activation. Next slide, sir. So actually, we give a guarantee within a 7 days. We cover all this part and we give you a new child in your hand. So you must be seeing this ad, Sony TV, Jio TV, Kaun Banega Crorepati, a big fame Amitabh Bachchan. There also, this many kids have done this midbrain activation and that they have shown the talent on this platform, TV platform. Even in Shark Tank, Kaun Banega Crorepati, and many more TV shows. Next slide, sir. Okay. I explained you that this is the course. What will the benefits? As I said, that I'm going to give a new child in your hand. So benefits of these courses are that the children will become focused, their memory power will get increased, children result will increase. Why? Because that photographic memory has been, we have unlocked the brain. Children will start doing the self-study because they will understand the importance of study. They will understand it will be a very crystal clear goal in front of them now. Because always we say, sit for the study, do this, off the camera. Of course, we are just howling at the kids. But after doing this course, it is going to stop. Intuition power is going to increase, empathy will increase within the children, feelings will increase, okay, where and practical decision making also. Sometimes if you are confused, you can ask your child, so see this, in dilemma I'm there, so where you are going to just suggest me what I have to do. Of course the child will tell you the right path because his intuition power has been increased. So I would like to tell you all, one decision of yours can change the entire life of your kids, of your school children, whoever you're enrolling in our academic.
Yes.
Thank you, sir, for sharing the PPT.
Okay, show the result.
Rashmi ma'am. Yes. Rashmi ma'am, shall I start with the demo
Yes,
of
yes.
my kids? Yes.
Yes, please.
So others,
Thank you.
any queries, or shall I start the demo so we can
I think we can continue with the demo, and at the end of that, then
we will
you
have
be
a
asking
question
questions.
query session. Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. Question answer session.
Yes, thank you.
No, sir. Shreyas, Shravani, and Maira are my kids, my students, where they have done the midbrain activation course, photographic memory course, and they are now learning the quantum speed also, where they are just flipping the books and reading everything. You can ask the any page number. That is, a course is going on actually. So we'll start with our midbrain activation course. Okay. So what we are going to do? We are going to do the blindfold. Yes. Shreyas, Shravani, and Mahira, do the blindfold and on your sound. And see, my kids are using the tissue papers before doing the blindfold. And number of tissue paper they have taken.
Yeah, actually, the
They're going
kids
to-
are not seeing what they are doing. Please just let them come on the screen. Like you are seen when you are talking, but your kids,
Okay.
what activity it is not visible. Please show it to everyone, to me also.
So Mahira, we'll start with you first. So you will be able to see on the screen. And then Shreyas, we will start with you. Okay?
We want to
Yes.
see them, what they are doing.
Okay, Mahira.
Say yes. Yes.
Are you
Yes.
able to see?
Great, great.
Okay. Are you able to see that Mahira has applied tissue papers before the blindfold? Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, we can see. We can see.
Now, but she can't see. But now she can't see, right?
Yeah, yeah.
What? No.
Okay, Mahira, take the Kit
when
in
you
your
are
hand.
talking, you are
Mama,
you are
look
seeing.
at the
So
video.
it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, yeah. Myra, take the kit in your hand now.
Akka?
All the best,
Yeah.
Mahira.
Say thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, Shreyas and Shravani, be ready.
Huh?
Next will be you. Yeah, Mahira. All the
Yes.
very best. Ma'am, give the kit in her hand.
Good.
Keep the bowl in front of her. Keep the bowl or keep the things in front of her. Let her pick up. या समोर सगळे वस्तू ठेवा मॅडम.
Yes, yes.
Myra, it's an international platform for you, okay?
Yes.
You know who is saying you? Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka teachers, principals, they are watching you right now. Okay, these are the kit we provide to the kids, okay? So multicolor, 12 multicolor blocks we are giving to the kids. Then we provide 48 design cards. We provide blindfold that you must be saying the black one. Yeah, that is open that, sir. Open that also. And then we give the certificate after completing the course. Yeah, see the design cards? Yeah. You can mix, merge and keep on the table. Very good. हा टेबल वरती ठेवून द्या सर काही करून हा मिक्स मर्ज या एनी या असंच ठेवून द्या सर असंच ठेवून द्या या या सो महिरा पिक एनी ऑफ द ब्लॉक एनी ऑफ द कलर ब्लॉक pick any of the color block.
Let us see the demo. We are not able
Yes,
to
yes.
see.
It's a blue color.
We want to see the demo.
Yeah. Demo is
Yeah,
going
yeah.
on, ma'am.
Now it
The
is.
blue color.
Ma'am, see, she is saying that it's blue color, ma'am.
Oh, really?
Mahira,
Right.
Mahira, I want to
Yes.
see you.
Anybody
It's
can
blue
ask
color.
question. All
Yeah.
all of you, please.
Yes.
You can ask
Take
questions.
another block. Take any of the block. Take any of the block.
మడి ఉండి కారే పది సంబర పై గుర్తొస్తుంది
Take any of the block, beta, and identify the color. Which color is this?
రెడ్ కలర్
Rashmi,
Red.
ma'am, is it red color?
Yeah. Oh, yes, it is very much red, and
Yeah.
I'm not able to just what you say believe
Uh-huh.
you.
Ah,
I will
of
be
course,
one
ma'am.
day. I will take your training. Then I will do like her.
Yes. Why not? Why not, ma'am?
Yes.
Take any of the card, beta. Take any of the card. See, my
And-
children are so excited. Shreyas is also doing the blindfold. Yeah, take any of the
Yeah.
card and tell me what is that. Just show us the card, beta. Show us the card. What is that?
कार्ड शो कर लोग को नहीं लागत पता असर
What is that? Shreyas? Shreyas, of the sound. Yeah. Mahira, what is that?
horse
Rashmi ma'am, she's saying horse.
Yeah, she's correct.
Okay, and one of the
horse.
card?
Yes.
Another card, beta. So we'll do the reading. Book reading also we'll do now. Take any of the card, beta, with your hand. Now tell me the background of it. Background color. Tell me.
red
Yes, it's
Okay.
right.
Right.
And
right.
what is there on that red background? What is it?
Q
But
Wow,
are you
very
holding
good.
the upside down or you are holding straight?
Ma'am, anyhow, because she is not able to see, if you give anything in her hand, she will say the correct answer.
Okay.
It's
okay.
not like that it should be correctly holded. If once
Okay.
the thing goes in their hand, it is recognized.
Okay.
It's like that.
Yes.
Mahira, take one of the book and do the reading of the book. Book reading we'll do now. Ma'am, are we ready for that? She's blindfold. Rashmi ma'am.
Yes.
Which book is that? Which book is that, beta?
GK
Very good. It's GK only, right? Now read the first line, any of the first line. Take one of the page. Start, beta.
A
Yeah.
pig.
फोकस करो
Parents,
कैमरे का
kindly.
अच्छे से।
A
Yeah.
वहां पर फोकस, यस यस,
PIC.
यहाँ पे करिए, थोड़ा सा डिटेलिंग कर दीजिए।
कैमरा ओके करो, फोकस करो कैमरे से। बच्चा क्या पढ़ रहा है प्रॉपर? यस।
यस,
हाँ,
नाउ
हाँ, हाँ. हाँ. Focus
PIC.
on that reading part. Ma'am, जरा क्या reading पर्यंत या? Yeah, yeah,
it is visible to us, yes.
yeah.
PIC.
She's in second standard, huh, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. Next line.
A
Ah, yes.
hospital
Very good.
is
Very good. Very nice.
BELOW. Go
Below.
below.
Hmm.
See the
Hmm.
each picture.
Hmm.
Write the names in the blank. ACCORDING.
Very good.
According
Very good. Hmm.
to her number,
Hmm.
the names for the box giving below.
Very nice. Very nice.
Very
Very
good.
good. She just went from first standard to second standard, ma'am. She's in
Yeah.
second standard. Okay.
Yes.
Now, take any of the picture, beta. Any of the picture in the book and tell me what is there. Any page, ma'am. Take out any of the page. Now, Mahira will identify it. And she will tell us what is there in that book. Okay. Next, Shreyas, do the blindfold. Next is your turn.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah.
Ball
Okay. Good.
Yeah,
and
right.
rabbit
Rabbit. Very good.
and butterfly.
Can we ask
Yeah.
some other questions from her, that what is the
Yeah.
color of the dress of rabbit?
Yes, yes, yes. Even you can ask your dress code, ma'am, also. You can on your camera. I'll ask her the question. Wait, ma'am. On your camera, she will recognize you also.
Okay,
Rashmi,
okay.
ma'am, on your
Uh,
camera, she will
Like
tell you.
my photo is there, my photo is there. So she can recognize the color of my sari.
Yeah, yeah. Mahira,
Huh?
Mahira, there is a Rashmi ma'am with us. Rashmi ma'am. Can you see her photo? Rashmi Tyagi ma'am. Search.
Can you see my photo?
No, 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 no.
Okay, so
Because
I,
we have to do the sliding. You have to on your camera because we have to slide
yes,
up, na ma'am?
yes,
Yeah, and
yes. Hello, Mahira. Oh,
yeah.
such a pretty
Hello.
girl. What is the
Hello,
color
Mahira.
of
Na.
my dress?
Pink.
Oh, that's right. Everybody clap. All of you, please open your cameras. Give her a applause at least. All of you, dear. Please
Primary
give
camera
her
is in the
applause.
camera.
Open your camera. Yeah. That's great. That's great.
Thank
Okay,
you,
okay. Carry
Mahira.
on. Carry
Yes,
on.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Now, Shreyas. Shreyas, be on camera now. Mahira,
Primary is in the camera.
just
Primary.
wait, Mahira. We'll come back to you. Just off your sound now. Shreyas, it's your turn. Okay. Shreyas, you also take any of the card. And till that time, parent, kindly bring one currency note, Indian currency note. Huh. Any card. Take any of the card. Choose any of the card. Take any card, beta. Huh. Even that small girl, ma'am, she's doing so brilliant.
Yeah.
And she's in KG class. What is that?
Horse.
Yes, it's a horse. Chalo, next. Good, Shreyas. Good.
And purple color.
Yes, exactly. Take a book for reading. Take a book for reading. Ma'am, bring currency note till that time. Camera flip kara, ma'am. Yeah. I want to see what he is reading.
lesson number 2, daydreams. Once there
Yes.
lived a couple who spent a lot of time in
Camera is blur. Blur camera.
idea talk. One day, the husband said, I have always wanted to keep cows. If by chance I get some extra money from somewhere, I am going to buy a few cows. But that
He's
means
reading the book. Camera is blur. I think so.
Okay, okay. Then never mind. We believe. We
Yeah,
believe.
yeah. Continue better.
a lot of work. You have to feed the cows, walk them, bath them, milk them. Cows need
Very
a
good.
lot of looking after. One cow would be enough. There's no need to buy more cows, said the wife. But think of the milk we will get if we buy more, said the husband.
Very good. Okay, Shreyas. Ma'am, give any currency note in his hand. Any currency note? Show in the camera first. Your camera is blurred. And now show it in this camera. Shreyas, show the currency note in the camera. Now you identify. Now your parent is giving any of the currency note in your hand. Now tell me which currency note is this?
100 rupees.
Yes,
Oh, that's
it's 100 rupees.
right.
Show in the
That's
camera. Show
right.
everyone.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Now, Shreyas, I
That's
want you
right.
to read the serial number given on that note.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah, very good. So obedient.
SL 689492.
Show
Wow.
us whether you have written, read right or not. Ma'am, see.
Yes,
I
yes.
think so. Camera.
We believe it.
Ma'am,
We
thoda sa-
believe that.
Yeah, it's right.
And we'll have a live,
Okay.
demo
Yeah.
one day with all of you
Okay, Shreyas,
before other
very
children.
nice. Now,
Yeah.
Shravani, do the blindfold, and anyone can show any of the things, whichever you're getting in your hand from your house now. Bring the things, anyone. Take any of the things and show to my kid. They will recognize what is there in your hand. This is a long distance. So I
Oh,
showed you the
really?
first,
Very
second, and third
Oh my
level. Now
goodness.
we are going to show you
Just
the
a
fourth
minute.
level now.
Just a minute. And I
You
want the
can
audience
take your
also.
time. Mahira, Shreyas, Mahira and Shravani, be ready.
Wait a minute.
She's
Wait a
she's
minute.
in KG class, huh?
Okay, just a
She's
minute.
in
I'll
KG
come
class,
back.
4-year girl, 4-year girl.
Teacher,
Shravani, even you want to do?
I
Shravani,
Yes.
Shravani, give the chance to Shravani whether she will cry. Shravani, you have to do na right. Shreyas,
yes,
no
teacher.
cheating, huh? She is ready, na beta?
Now, please, I want to show something.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah. Oh my God. Myra, what is there in Russian?
Yes, yes.
मी कसं सांगणार?
She said, Myra, little louder.
जोरात बोल.
Cat.
Oh, that's
Which
right.
color? Which color?
White and black.
Oh, right,
Very
right.
good.
Thank
So
you.
cute.
Thank you. Okay, I want other people
Five
now.
minutes, ma'am.
I've
Vivek,
enjoyed
ma'am.
it.
Reading
Yeah.
next part.
Take any of the thing.
Yes.
Anyone take anything.
Others, please. Yeah.
Okay, I have something in my hand. Can you tell me
Yeah.
what color
Shravani,
it is?
tell the color.
Book.
Shreyas?
Brown.
Book, yes. What color is the book?
Green.
Green, brilliant.
Very good.
Thank you.
Now, Shravani, you're supposed to give the answer, Shravani. Shravani. Okay. Shravani, what is there in my hand? Anna, can you see?
Virtual.
No, actually, I have done that virtual.
Mobile.
Anyone?
Your
Yes.
virtual background.
It was mobile in my hand. Right.
Mobile.
Yes, very good, Shravani. It was mobile in my hand. Anyone? Sheikh, ma'am, you can take any of the thing in your hand and show to my kids. Shravani, which color and what is that? Which color you are seeing? Shravani?
Compass.
Shravani, what is this?
Compass. Very good, compass. Which color?
Yellow, red.
Oh my God, so
Wow.
detailing, yellow and red.
Ma'am,
Big
how
applause
can
to
they
you.
recognize it
Oh,
properly?
That only is a mid-brain activation.
so
What
blessing.
Rashmi ma'am is holding? What
Work.
Rashmi ma'am is holding in her hand?
Hello, what I am holding in my hand?
Show ma'am in the camera. What is that?
Tiger.
Huh?
Leopard.
Tiger. Leopard.
Yeah, oh, good. Great, great. Okay,
Yes. Anyone
yeah.
else? Anyone else?
I want to salute for these little
Okay, one of the sir is showing
bundle
something.
of
Recognize
I don't
what is
know.
that? One sir is showing
Flower.
flower. Yes, yes.
There is
Yes,
flower
right.
design.
Yes, flower design is there in your hand, sir. Is it right? Sir, you heard? My children said flower design.
Yes, yes,
Sir,
I have
sir,
heard.
unmute yourself. Sir, unmute yourself. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Ma'am, there are two small ones here
Yeah,
who want to just.
yeah. Yes, yes. Tell them to come on camera, ma'am. What is that? What is there in your hand? Yeah.
Paint color brush.
Yeah, yeah.
Who has hold? What?
That's correct. That's correct.
Yeah. What is pen? Pen. Which color pen?
Orange.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
they're almost correct.
Yeah, very
Yes.
good. For the lighting, yes. Thank you.
Anyone else? Sheikh
Yes,
ma'am,
why
do you
not?
want to
Where
show
are
something?
Kamal
Sheikh ma'am.
Gora sir? Kamal Gora sir, where are you?
This is
Hey,
called
I
as
am
fourth level,
Timuri.
where the
Sir,
long
Timuri.
distance.
You also ask.
Timuri, show something.
Yes,
You
sir.
show something.
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, that is not actually clear, but still they will recognize. Show in a camera, or else you can write something on the book, ma'am. Write something on the page. They will spell out.
No, no.
They will spell out.
See, she's showing something.
Who?
Savita, she's with
Showing
me
the.
on my camera.
Okay. Students, one teacher is holding something. What is that? Loudly.
A.
Alphabet
Alphabet A.
A. Very good. Very good.
Okay.
Rashmi ma'am, little bit in a camera. Little bit in a camera.
Okay, okay.
A little bit in a camera. I'm not able to see. Apple. See, without seeing, it was not able to see. Still, she
Wow,
recognized.
wow.
Long distance, ma'am. This is called as long distance
I know,
mid-brain
great,
activation.
great. I can't believe what I'm seeing today. But I want to invite Sri Lankan teachers who are watching, please, each one of you ask something. Each one of you. Please.
Yeah.
spell-
Even, ma'am, they do the quantum speed also. They are flipping the book and you can ask any of the page number. So they will tell on this page number, this is written, or on this page number, this picture
Yeah,
has
yeah.
been,
No,
or
no.
it's there in that page.
I'm very happy to see it, and we will try.
And they're scoring,
These
good
children
marks
should
in
be,
the class.
visiting most of the schools also for this.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So, what about all the teachers? Migoda, I mean, what's your
Igor,
name?
any?
Vimuri, please tell
Vimuri,
our
ma'am?
teachers.
Teachers la.
You can write something. Sheikh ma'am, you can write something. Sheikh ma'am.
කොලේක මොන හරි ලියලා පෙන්නන්න පුළුවන් ස්ක්‍රීන් එකේ. එතකොට ඒ බබාලා ඒක කියවන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් වෙන මොන හරි පෙන්නලා අහන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට ඒගොල්ලන් ඒකේ පාට මොකක්ද එහෙම කියලා කියයි. ඒක හැමෝම කැමරා on කරලා මේ පොඩි වෙන්නගෙන් එහෙම අහන්න.
This is such an interesting show. We are going to have it in our summit. This show.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, he is my senior, sir. Jaswant sir, where Jewel Industry is written.
Yeah.
Hey,
I
hi,
can
sir.
see it.
He is my senior, sir.
Satya, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, he looks very young. He might be a senior.
Yes, ma'am, only 26 age. And he
That's
has
what
taught me all this thing. Yes, ma'am.
We'll invite him.
Yes, so sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
So
Anyone
now,
want to show
my
something?
dear Sri Lankan teachers, where are you? Are you there or only your camera is on? Kamal Goda sir.
Devi ma'am is holding something.
Okay, Devi, you have something.
Yeah. Look.
Blue color.
Right.
Blue color.
Great.
You are
Great.
really good.
Wow.
Okay, I'll ask one question. Mahira, just read out the name of any of the teacher who are attending the Zoom meeting now. Any two names you can read out. You can spell out. She's in second standard. Any of the teacher. Okay. Spell out. Huh?
ABINASH.
Yes. Avinash sir is also there with us. Right? Shreyas, one you recognize.
J Institute.
Devil Institute. Right. Chalo. Shawnee.
Yeah,
Shawnee is very small.
Sri Lankan teachers, switch on the
One
camera
more
and
name.
show your name.
Yes. One more.
Please take these our Sri Lankan teachers on the main screen so that these children can see their names.
ANGL. Sorry, WALAGE.
Very good.
Very good, Myra. Very good.
What's the name?
Any name you say, Shreyas?
No, which name she has written?
What?
Devi.
Dev I. Dev I is also there. Yeah.
Yes.
Dev I.
Yeah.
Any more queries, ma'am?
No, everything is ready. I have asked so many questions. Kamal Goda
Yeah.
sir, please you ask question.
Yes, Sri Lankan teachers, you can ask questions. Sri Lankan teachers.
Let the children remove their blindfold, ma'am.
Yes, please remove the
Yeah.
blindfold.
Thank you, kids.
you so much.
Let us give a big round of applause to our kids.
Yes. Open your cameras. Give them a big round of applause.
Shreya, Shravani, and Myra, open your blindfold, and you know who is giving you the big round of applause. You know, all Sri Lankan teachers and principals are giving you the big round of applause.
Yes.
You deserve the best.
Thank you, teacher.
Silent clap.
So sweet.
Silent clap.
So sweet. Myra, you also saying?
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much.
Yes.
God bless you.
Yeah.
Wonderful,
So students can
wonderful.
leave, or they have to be on the camera with us
No.
to the query round.
See, don't trouble them. In case they want to sit, it is fine. And in case they want to
Okay.
leave, they have done lots of, given their, they are
Even
tired.
many more things are there, ma'am. Not only this activity, there are the many activities. Even my children do the cycling on the road with the blindfold. Even Myra has done the skating with the lot of hurdles in between we have kept. Okay. There are
Yeah,
many
yeah.
activities under this we go through.
How many children do you have in your class?
Ma'am, I am training now. Again, my workshop is there. Saturday, Sunday, again, my workshop is there, ma'am. Online I take, even offline is there, ma'am. So online and offline, both I take.
What
If
is
you
the number
invite
of
me
the
to Sri
children?
Lanka, yeah,
What is the
children are
number
there,
of the
ma'am.
children? You have
Number of children are
trained?
there, ma'am.
Yeah.
More than 1,000, 4,000, ma'am.
Okay. That's a good number.
And even we have gone to this also, many of the schools. Okay.
Okay.
Now my senior sir is going to go to Bangalore.
Okay. Which
So,
school?
to Bangalore. Which school, sir? Oh, sound is not on.
Shanti Niketan English School, ma'am.
Okay. I will suggest you more schools there. I know many people
Yes, ma'am.
there.
Yes.
My experience, ma'am, school like 20-25 school. and I trained
Yes.
60,000 plus people,
I'll
adult and
take you
child.
to DPS in Bangalore.
नहीं,
Yes,
DPS
yes.
नहीं.
I'll take you there.
Okay.
She will take. Yes. So
Now,
we do, ma'am, teamwork and we go to schools. So they are there under this Brahmanda Nayak Gurukul. We are having midbrain activation, which you saw. Then there is a photographic long-term memory course where we give the kit to the kids, okay? And then we show the bit pictures to the kids and they see and then we off. After doing that, so kids will remember and they will write in the book, okay? So
Right.
next is what we will increase the memory power. How? Now, first I showed you 2, then 1, then 3, 4. As this number will increase 10 and 20. So what will happen? The memory will start boosting up and they will start keeping that in their memory for a longer time and they will, within a second, they will start recognizing. It's like that short term, this thing, photographic memory. And thing is what, after doing the photographic memory, of course, your children are boosted. They are AI, robotic now, robotic minds. So if they
Okay.
flip the book in front of them in the near the ear or the near the eye, near the third eye, so they can understand what is there in that book also. That is quantum
But
speed
suppose
learning.
we want, he can do. Sir, you can do that. What they are doing. We like to.
Ma'am, we are adults now, ma'am. What happens?
No,
Even
I'm
after.
asking the teacher. What is his
Acha,
name?
Jaswant sir.
हाँ जसवंत
Yes,
सर,
ma'am.
आप अगर यहाँ पर बैठेंगे डेमो में, आप तो इनसे भी ज्यादा अच्छा करेंगे. आप करते हैं क्या?
इसमें मैम क्या होता है, ये जैसे
Talk in
रिजल्ट
English if
होता है
you
ना
can.
स्टार्ट.
Can you talk in English, sir?
इंग्लिश में मेरा इतना अच्छा नहीं है,
हाँ
हिंदी
कोई बात
बैकग्राउंड
नहीं.
है,
आई विल
प्रॉब्लम
टेल टू देम. क्योंकि आप उससे है ना ब्रह्मांड, उससे तो आप हिंदी और संस्कृत जानते होंगे. बताइए, आंसर दे
ओके.
दीजिए, मैं इनको बताऊंगी.
इसमें मैम ऐसा है, जैसे स्टार्टिंग में जैसे मतलब ये जो बच्चे लोग रहते हैं ना,
हाँ हाँ
अगर इनको अपन जैसे ब्लाइंड फोल्ड करवाया,
हाँ हाँ.
एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको ब्लाइंड फोल्ड करवा दिया, तो वो
ओके.
रिजल्ट क्या रहता है मैम, ये लॉन्ग टर्म नहीं रहता है इसका,
या
लेकिन मेमोरी पावर है ना वो काफी टाइम तक रहता है, उसका कोई मतलब वो नहीं है. लेकिन ये जो ब्लाइंड फोल्ड है ना, जैसे अभी ये बच्चे लोग कर रहे हैं, तो आई थिंक इनमें 2 साल 3 साल या 4 साल मैक्सिमम आपको देखने को मिलेगा. उसके बाद ये वाला रिजल्ट उनमें ना आपको नहीं मिलेगा देखने के लिए.
अच्छा
ऐसा
अच्छा.
होता है क्योंकि इसका कारण क्या होता है, इनका ब्रेन में मेच्योर होता जाता है ना, तो
हाँ
फिर उसको ना अच्छे बुरे का थोड़ा पहचान होने लगता है. एक्चुअल में
अच्छा.
अपना जो वर्कआउट है ना मैम, वो बच्चे का ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट है. हमारा
हाँ.
मकसद ना ये जो ब्लाइंड फोल्ड नहीं है, ब्लाइंड फोल्ड तो सिर्फ रिजल्ट चेक करने का रहता है.
हम्म.
ओके मैम. तो ये मतलब जैसे मैम ने बताया क्वांटम स्पीड रीडिंग के लिए, तो क्वांटम स्पीड रीडिंग में क्या होता है मैम, अपन बच्चों को इतना ट्रेन कर देते हैं, A4 साइज का जो एक बुक्स का पेज होता है, उसमें 200 से 300 वर्ड वो बच्चा 1 मिनट में याद कर लेता है.
हाँ तो ये बात
उस
जो है, अगर अंग्रेजी में मैडम बोल देंगी जो आपने बोली है,
Yes,
तो
yes,
ये
I'll
ठीक है.
tell, I'll tell.
हाँ ये, और
Yeah.
थैंक यू आपने बताया. और हम कुछ और भी बहुत अच्छा करेंगे अगली बार इससे ज्यादा.
नहीं, इसमें इसमें मैं आपको थोड़ा सा और बताता हूँ मैम, फिर
हाँ
आप उसको
हिंदी में आप
एक्सप्लेन कर
बताएंगे तो
दीजिए.
किसी को समझ नहीं आएगा, इसके लिए मैं कह रही हूँ मैडम.
Okay, I'll
इंग्लिश
translate.
में.
Don't worry, I will translate it, ma'am. Let him speak. अब बोलिए सर, मैं translate कर लेती हूँ इसको.
या
तो ये तो मैम इसमें क्या रहता है, जैसे कि A4 साइज का जो पेजेस रहता है, वो बच्चा काफी टाइम में उसको याद करके सुना देता है. और ये टेक्निक है ना, ये टेक्निक जापान के और चीन के लोग सबसे ज्यादा मतलब इसको ये मतलब ये जो इसको करते हैं, यूज करते हैं सबसे ज्यादा, है ना. और इसमें क्या रहता है, जैसे बच्चे लोगों को सिर्फ 3 चीज हम कराते हैं. ब्रेन एक्सरसाइज, ओके, मतलब ये जो पार्ट रहता है ना, सिर्फ ये ब्रेन का एक्सरसाइज. मैं आपको जैसे एक एक्सरसाइज करा के बताता हूँ आप सभी को, वो तो समझ में आ ही जाएगा. जैसे कि
Yes.
अच्छा, सबसे पहले मैम ये बताओ, ब्रेन कितने होते हैं?
हाँ नहीं, पहले आप इनको बोलने दीजिए जो आपने कहा है ना, वो आप कम
हम्म.
से कम शब्दों में इन्हें बताइए और तब इनको डेमो देंगे ये.
यस यस
ओके.
मैम, सबसे पहले आप इतना एक बार इनको
अर्चना.
बताइए, फिर मैं आपको आगे
हाँ
एक्सप्लेन करूँ.
अर्चना आप बताइए.
Sure. Ma'am, जैसे हमारी बात हो गई, I'll translate that in English. Now, sir is saying that
No,
as
no.
we are working on the brain, yeah, about
Yes, please
Rashmi
carry
ma'am,
on English. हाँ
yeah,
इंग्लिश में
yeah,
बताइए.
yeah, we are working on a brain. Okay, so this we showed you the proof where we have done the working on your brain. This left and right brain, we have balanced it. So what we have done over here? So we'll show you one little bit demo. Everybody, what you do? Take your right hand and left hand up. Let us do with you. आप लोग भी करो हमारे साथ. Yeah, right and left hand. Okay. So what you do, kids? You're going to do. So what you're going to do? Start doing out. Right hand out. Come on. right hand out. Okay, stop. Now do left hand in, left hand in. Okay, now simultaneously, parallelly, you are supposed to do both. One should go out and one should come inside. See, my kids are doing so well. No, we are not doing this one. Rolling. We are not doing that one. That is wrong. So one is going out and one is coming inside. See, like this. One is going out, one is coming inside. Yeah, so nice. Good try. But now
One
you
hand
will able to
clockwise and
understand.
one hand anti-clockwise.
Yes, clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Okay. So was that difficult for you all? You are doing this thing. You're doing this thing. No. One should go out clockwise. One should get inside. That is anti-clockwise. So like this. Okay. Now it is very difficult. You're getting confused. Of course, that is wrong. Of course, that is wrong. But yeah. Now what will happen? You will tell to your brain now. So like when these exercises will do, even teachers we can do. If you are not giving the result of the blindfold, but this will enhance your practical thinking, decision making, and what and where what we have to say when we meet our new people. Of course, that intuition power we can come to know, because we are dealing on an international platform. As you're going to come to Mumbai, Rashimam is going to go to Sri Lanka and many other countries you're moving. So what will happen? That we are unknown with the peoples. So how to interact with the kids, how to interact with the parents, okay, and the other society peoples also we are going to interact. So this will enhance your brain, right? One more exercise we will do. Do this thing. Panja, we say this thing. Okay, hold it in a circular path. Okay, now what we are going to do, this thumb part is there, na? Clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Now, next finger. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy? Very easy? Very easy? Now do middle finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very easy. It's very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're not supposed to move your fingers outside. It should be touched. It should be touched. Very easy exercise. Now, go with the ring finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very easy. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy. Isn't it? Then your lady finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very easy, na? Difficult lag raha hai? It's difficult. Little bit of difficult, but when we will do this gym exercise, brain gym exercise, Stratak and the meditation, literally you will feel relaxed. Okay, after doing the meditation, you will think that wow, it was so nice. Because daily the thousands of things are there in our mind, and after doing this, we will do a Zumba dance. Also, we'll do a brain gym exercise and lot of meditations. So we are going to do, and exercises also we are going to do. So what is going to happen? A stress-free life. And of course, our next day, our brain is going to get open and we'll do the practice on that. I hope my part is over. Any more queries, you can ask me. Do you like?
Ma'am,
I would like to, yeah. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
සිංහලෙන් හරි අහන්න එතකොට අහන්න පුළුවන්.
Anyone? Sheikh ma'am, what is your query, ma'am?
I want to enroll my daughter in your class.
So
She
tell me
is
your
not
daughter
coming.
name.
She is not coming on camera. She is actually, I don't know, she's not coming on camera. But she's doing whatever you're
saw?
saying. And
Wow.
Mama, मुझे भी सीखना है उन लोग की तरह.
Why not,
Okay.
ma'am? Take my number
Ma'am.
from Rashmi, ma'am. हाँ.
एक दो चीज
Take
और
my
बता देता
number
हूँ
from.
थोड़ा सा.
हाँ, बोल दीजिए सर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
ओके. इसमें आप इनको ये बताओ कि जो मतलब एक बच्चा होता है ना, वो मेच्योरिटी उसमें
हाँ.
इतनी आ जाती है. अगर 5 साल का बच्चा है तो 10 साल
हाँ.
के बच्चे में क्या मेच्योरिटी
हाँ, बोल
रहती है.
दिया. वो बोल
ओके.
दिया सर मैंने.
हाँ, वो
हाँ.
सब चीजें आपको देखने को मिलेगी. और इसके अंदर क्या रहता है, जैसे ब्रेन के अपने जैसे मतलब 2 पार्ट होते हैं. तो दोनों पार्ट, अभी जैसे हैंड वाली एक्सरसाइज थी वो किसी से नहीं हो रही
हाँ.
थी. तो
नहीं हो
अपना
रहा है सर,
कॉन्सेप्ट,
नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ, वो अपना कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है, अभी आपका ये जो ब्रेन है वो आपको चला रहा है. तो
हाँ.
अपन आपको ये सिखाएंगे कि आप ब्रेन को कैसे यूज कर सकते हो,
Yes.
है ना। और इसके लिए जैसे दोनों ब्रेन को, कॉन्शियस और सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को इक्वल
Yes.
फॉर्म में आपको यूज कैसे करना
Yes.
है ना।
Yes.
तो वो इक्वल फॉर्म में यूज कैसे करना है, वो इनको थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करो। और ब्रेन के बारे में, जैसे ब्रेन सबसे पावरफुल इस यूनिवर्स में अगर कोई है वो तो ब्रेन है सिर्फ। ये
हाँ
पूरी बॉडी पार्ट है ना, वो कुछ भी नहीं है। अपन जैसे फोकस
हाँ
किस
हाँ.
पे करते हैं, वो
Yes, sir. So your voice is breaking. Jaswant, sir. Jaswant, sir. Okay, Sheikh, ma'am. I'm happy to listen that your daughter is ready to enroll. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
मेरा
we
नेटवर्क
will
चला गया था या आपके पास प्रॉब्लम है।
Yes,
Vinuri,
आपका
can you hear
network
me?
चला गया था, sir.
हाँ तो फिर
Yes.
ऐसा है, what I'm telling that now we'll give the opportunity to Sri Lankan teachers to interact if there are any questions,
Yeah.
and then
In
we'll
last,
have
I'll share
another
my
session
number.
also.
I'll share my phone number so you can note down it. Okay.
You
So
never mind. You never mind that. We'll do it later. We'll just.
yeah, that only in last. Till that time, any
It's okay.
queries you can
It's
ask.
okay. Ayman will talk about this later. Okay, Ayman?
Sure, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we are so many Sri Lankan teachers are there, and I will ask for some feedback. Vimuri,
Yes.
Vimuri, please.
I get a recording of this.
Yes,
Will
yes.
I get a recording of this?
We'll talk later. We'll talk later about all that. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we'll give
It's
an
actually
opportunity.
amazing.
Yeah. Now you have to talk. Sri Lankans. Now we are not talking. From India, we are muted.
Of course.
Okay. Now we hand it over to them.
It was actually like watching a magic show. It was unbelievable what we saw. One question, ma'am, does this have to be learned physically, or can you teach us through Zoom classes or something? Is that possible?
I deal with online classes only, ma'am, because my students are not only from Maharashtra, it's all over from India. Even I teach for the foreign students also, as my husband is working out in US. So like he has good friends over there. So their children also we have trained it from Dubai also, not only
We
the
have
local people.
Our students
Yeah.
have the opportunity of joining.
Yes. Yes. Even
That's
if
great.
you have a number of students, so we can come to your place also.
Kamal Goda sir will do all that. Kamal Goda sir, where are you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
We can invite the team to Sri Lanka and we can do some programs in the Sri Lankan schools.
That's
Yes,
right.
yes,
That's
yes.
great. Okay. So I leave
We
to
can set
Kamal
up the
Goda sir.
children, like the preschool children, a whole class, and then madam can do something online for us. We can do that, maybe?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, why
That will be
not?
Vinuri
wonderful.
asked,
Thank you, ma'am. So we'll keep in touch regarding that.
Vinuri, yeah, we can organize the one program for the kids. They can do the training program for the
Yes,
kids.
sir.
That's great, sir. That's great.
Good, sir. We'll plan something and then we can discuss how we can do it, no, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. We can inform the Rashmiti Agi, ma'am.
Yes, thank you so much.
We will do it, definitely. I also have that in mind, that we want other people and the students also to know that they can, use the brain in a very different way. It is not a magic, it is a training. And as he has told me, who is the head of the institute, he told me in Hindi that when the brain is very young, then these things can be done by the children. And when their brain becomes very mature, then it is not easy to do all these things. So we will have all that, what they are telling us. So, and we will definitely do it if Mr. Kamal Goda and Sri Lankan teachers, they want, whatever they want, we will definitely be doing it. It was a wonderful program. Now, beyond your name, which word is silent? Vimurti. What is that, your name? Vimuri. What's that? Sorry. Yeah? Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Vimuri. Oh, good.
Yes, ma'am.
That's good.
So actually, this was an amazing session. It was not like, just listening to someone teaching something. This was watching children actually performing miracles. They are miracles to us because none of us can do it. So thank you so much, ma'am, for teaching us and enlightening us. So it will be really wonderful if we have the opportunity of working with you in the future as well. Like Kamalguru sir and Madam also suggested, we can get some children together and we can maybe set up a large screen so that you can conduct some lessons for them and spread this amazing talent all around the world. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your good words. So sweet, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And congratulations to the institute's head
Thank-
man. That is, what is his good name? Again, say it again.
Jaswant, sir.
Jaswant
Jaswant, sir.
sir. And the children, what are the names of the children? Those who have done such a wonderful thing.
Shreyash, Mahira, and Shravani.
Thank you, Shreyas, Mahira, and
Shravani.
Shravani.
4-year
Thank
girl,
you.
ma'am. 4-year girl. Yeah.
Yes. And then thank you to you, Archana ji, Archana
Thank you,
Patil,
ma'am.
that you have brought such a wonderful aspect of the brain training to the children. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
so
you,
much.
ma'am.
Vidyagi ma'am, for always being supportive to us and bringing us these wonderful teachers to teach our teachers and teach our children in turn. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, ma'am.
Vimuri,
Thank you.
especially thanks to the children.
Yes.
Vimuri, yeah, Vimuri,
Especially
you
to
talk to the children. Vimuri, you
Yes,
speak
sir.
with the children.
Okay. So, to the little ones who amazed all of us today, thank you so much for taking your time and showing us your talents. We are all in Sri Lanka amazed, and we are going to try to be at least a little bit as talented as you. So, thank you so much, ma'am, for bringing them along, and to
Yes,
Sir
ma'am.
for taking his time to be here with us today. Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. We may leave now.
Shall I give my information?
We will give you. Don't worry.
Yes.
We will talk
Okay.
about that later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Good night, everyone. Welcome to Mumbai. Bye.
Good night.
Bye. See you
Bye,
soon.
everyone. Bye. Thank you, Mayra. Thank you, Shreyas. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, Rashmi ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Jaswant sir. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.